Welcome to this webinar on drug abuse. My name is Victoria Diego. I'm currently talking on drugs end all dreams. Drugs end all dreams. The use of illegal drugs or the use of prescription or over-the-counter drugs for purposes other than those for which they are meant to be used or in excessive amounts. Substances frequently used are alcohol, marijuana, prescription medicines such as pain pills, stimulants, or anxiety pills. We also have methamphetamine. We also have cocaine, opiates, hallucinogens, and inhalants. Okay, so what is harmful use? Health officials consider substances use as crossing the lines into substance abuse if that repeated use causes significant impairments such as disabilities, failure to meet responsibilities, health issues, impaired control, risky use, and social use. Okay, we have some signs. These physical signs, some common signs of drug or alcohol addictions. We have bloodshot eyes. Anyone who is addicted to heroin usually has constricted pupil, also known as miosis. That they may also have bloodshot eyes. And they also have sudden weight loss. People who are addicted to cocaine, ecstasy, or methamphetamine may lose their appetite and subsequently lose weight quickly. In such cases, they take more of the cocaine. They don't feel like eating food, eating anything. They're just so addicted to that, and that's reduce their weight automatically. So they lost weight by doing that. Also have interrupted sleep pattern. These are the common signs of substance abuse, which include insomnia, difficulty sleeping at night, or hypersomnia, sleeping for too long. These are the causes, which are the disadvantages of taking it. We also have change in complexion. Repeatedly drug use can lead to ache, paleness, jaundice. There may also be scars, bruises, and track marks on the body. It also leads to poor personal hygiene, bathing, brushing teeth, and brushing their teeth, and physical cleanliness may decline in anyone who is drug dependent. So these are most of the physical signs that may dictate on a drug addict. So what causes drug abuse? Cultural and societal factor causes drug abuse. You also have peer pressure. Peer pressure is a strong factor in misuse of drugs, particularly among young ones. Substance abuse and dependence are caused by multiple factors, including genetic vulnerability, environmental stressors, environmental pressure, individual personality characteristics, and psychiatric problems. So, we also notice some changes that a drug addict have. So much of changes in behavior. In addition to physical challenges, a person who is misusing alcohol or drugs may act abnormal. Some of the significant behavioral signs of drug abuse in adults include secretive behavior. The person withdraws from friends and families and constantly looks for private places to use to take their drugs. They also ignore responsibilities. Becoming addicted to drugs or alcohol can make a person stay away from daily responsibilities such as work, school, or taking care of the homes. We also have financial distress. Most illicit drugs are very expensive. So a person using drugs may need to borrow money without a reason. They may also sell their belongings to get money. Yeah. They put them into financial distress, you know. Or psychological symptoms. When someone misuses drugs, they may experience change in their feelings, which will also affect their behavior. Some common psychological signs, which include depression and anxiety. Okay, when these are the psychological symptoms we find in a drug addict. They go through depression and anxiety. You may notice signs of depression and anxiety where they never existed before, including your loved one losing interest in things they used to love, sleeping too long or too much, or gaining or losing dramatic amount of weight, to name a few. Excuse me. Low self-esteem. Individuals with drug addicts may demonstrate a marked lack of confidence in their ability, intelligence, look, or other aspects of their life. They experience low esteem. They demonstrate it. Poor motivation. You may also notice that person demonstrating substances. You may also notice that people demonstrating substance misuse symptoms set extravagant goals but have no motivations to achieve them. Irritability and mood swing. Another symptom of drug use can manifest as sudden agitation and unpredictable temperament. We also have the changes in performance. Substance use disorder in adults can also affect job performance, which leads to illegal behavior. As they run out of funds to fuel their addictions What are the signs of drug use regarding on the job behavior? Some of the job-related symptoms. Some of the job-related symptoms of drug use might include absenteeism. Upward of 10,000, upward of 10% of drug users have missed work at some point because of hangouts, because of hangover. So they miss out of work. Probably they hang out, go for party, and at the end of the day, they won't be able to go to work, and that costs their job too. So we also have poor decision making. People addicted to drugs may have difficulty making decisions because they become preoccupied with obtaining and using substances. Yeah, increased conflict. Other symptoms of drug addiction in adults is a high frequency of arguments and insubordination in the workplace. They have conflicts, insubordination, arguments in the workplace, they always want to claim rights. So we also have theft as one of the changes in performance. Drug addiction may lead individuals to steal from their workplace to fund their addiction. This act can lead to other criminal behavior because it may cost them their job and income. So these are the changes we see, It's well explainable here. So we've been advised to avoid alcohol, avoid drugs that will lead us to all this. So we also, the next slide is sex and gender differences. The warning signs of substance misuse may vary between men and women. The physical, behavioral, and emotional response can vary dramatically between the two genders. Symptoms of drug use of men might include shrinkage in the testes and fertility issues. Several manifestations of certain addiction like marijuana use disorder. Increased likelihood of using drugs to enhance positive moods. On the other side of the coin, symptoms of drug use for women might include uncharacteristic body hair growth and male pattern baldness. Dramatic weight loss with some specific category of drugs. Higher likelihood of experiencing panic attack with certain substance. Thank you.